Hello, what's up people? So today we are trying to do our job sheet 5 guys. So today our job sheet 5, what we're gonna learn is we are trying to identify transformer winding and relate it to output voltages. Okay, so secondly we are trying to interconnect secondary windings and determine off-load voltages. And the third one is determining on-load voltages and currents for different winding configurations. So our tools and equipment will be oscilloscope, and then we got multimeter, and then we get the function gen, and last but not least, our circuit lah. Our circuit. So we are using the Ford circuit, and we have all this jumper lah. Okay, so for the first table, we are trying to determine for our winding tree and winding entry and winding end2. So what we will get for our winding entry is when we are already follow all the instruction here and connect just like the diagram here, and then we will get the first result, which is our winding entry. So our winding entry, after we have connected it to 4.18 and 4.21, we will get our voltage. We're gonna take the peak to peak, so we will get 4.96. As you can see, it also were in phase with the channel 1. So okay, and then that's all for the winding entry lah. So for the winding entry, we're gonna change the jumper to here and here, and then we'll get just like our result, which is 9.84. Yeah, it's always changing, and we can see that the phaser was in phase. So just like our result lah. So I think that's all from me. Thank you. Okay, so right now we are going to do our table 2, which is the addition of N2 plus N3, and then we gonna find our N3 minus N2. Okay, so without wasting any time, we are gonna do our setup just like instructed in our manual here or here, and as you can see, I already set up it. And then once we already set up, I already changed the volt per division to 5 volt, and then we will get 15.2 just like in our result. Okay, and then we are going to do the step 9, which is the step 9. We will do our setup just like in the instruction, and then so we will open the jumper and we will put it here, and then we will get a new jumper to put it here and here. So that's all lah. And then we already get for our second result, which is okay, we will change the volt per division first, and then we will get our new peak to peak, which is 4.96. But then we will find that the wave is out of phase because the phase relative just like that lah. Okay, so I think that's all. Thank you. Okay, 1, 2. Okay, so right now we'll do for our step 10. So which is I already done the setup. So we will do the 2A, which is already here, and then what we will get is we'll get the peak to peak is 10.2 volt. So for 2B, we'll change the channel 2 from here to 4.2. Okay, and then what we will get is 5.4 or 5.2. But bear in mind, it is out of phase here. And then we will go for our next setup, which is for the 2C and 2D. Okay, so we'll plug out for this one, channel 1, and then put it here, and then sorry, okay, and then we're gonna put the jumper here and here. So this one is for the channel 1, isn't it? Channel 2. Okay, so channel 2 we will plug out first, and we will connect for channel 1. So channel 1 will be here, And channel 2 will be here because we're trying to find 2D. Okay, no. It's like here and here, I think. Okay, so we get for 2C, which is like this, and then we will get for our P2P is 234.8. Okay, and then for 2D we just oh sorry, just now is for 2D, but now we will do for 2C, and what we will get for 2C is 15.2. Okay, so I think that's all for now. Thank you. Okay, so what's up guys? So we are finally getting to our final table, which is table 3. So we are trying to find our primary winding resistance. So without wasting any time, I'll show you. Come here. Okay. So for to find our N1 resistance, we will put our multimeter probe here and here for the ground, and then what we will get is 90 ohm. Okay. So for the next one, we are trying to find the N2 resistance. So we will put our probe here and here. So we will get about 105 ohm. Okay. Lastly, we will find for our N3, which is here and here. So we will get 51 or 50 if we need. But for our current result, we will get 48, around 48 or 49. Okay, and finally we get into our discussion. So for our discussion, in this topic we will discuss about transformer windings and link to output voltage within the experiment. The outcome for the sine phase should be in phase or out of phase. The result of the findings will be different from other students because of the tolerance of the equipment. And then our conclusion is primary and secondary primary and secondary voltage are phased with each other. Step-up transformers increase voltage levels, while step-down transformer decrease the voltage levels. The higher the turn ratio of the windings, means the coil, the higher the secondary voltage. So I think that's all from me. Thank you.